I'm back, and I haven't been here in a while. I know that. I'm sorry about that, but I've been trying to put my website together, and it's up now. It's definitely ready for merch and stuff like that. If you guys want to check out my merch, go ahead and check it out. I'll leave the link in the description box below. But I want to talk to you guys about something that has been coming to my comment section ever since I put up that video about Spreadshirt. And this has to do everything about integration, putting the site from Spreadshirt onto your actual site. And that's something that is pretty simple, but you would have to know JavaScript and stuff like that to understand it. But I'm going to try to do this as simple as possible using Adobe Muse and Spreadshirt. Now, if you guys don't know, Adobe Muse is dying out. Like, they're letting that go. But I'm pretty sure the program will still be running up. And if you guys haven't seen my video that I made on it, I'll link that in the description box as well, or it'll be a little card somewhere up here, something like that. You guys can definitely check that out, explaining to you guys why Adobe Muse is awesome and what you guys can do with it. And if you guys want to at least hop on board now before like it goes completely out of Adobe's system, then do it now. I mean, because I feel like that's a good way to get on the internet, especially if you guys are just ready to do something for your own and you want to make that quick cash on a Spreadshirt and you want to integrate your Spreadshirt to your Adobe Muse, then that would be awesome to do. But we're going to go ahead and get into Adobe Muse and Spreadshirt, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what to do. Okay, so this is like the single most easiest thing to do. We want to go ahead and go up into Spreadshirt.com. So we're going to go to Spreadshirt.com. So it's really simple to do, you guys. All you have to do is log in and then go into the shop area. So I'm just going to go into my shops. Now, as of right now, they got this thing going on where you can earn like percentage more in commission or whatnot. Or you can earn up to 60% commission. That's always going to happen. But you guys, if you guys have a Spreadshirt, go ahead and look into this. All you have to do is sell 26 items up until like June 1st, which is not all that hard to do. But you're just going to scroll down into your shop, hit edit, and it's going to bring you up into this screen right here. Okay, so like we have all of our products here. Like this is all the products on this side, and then we have like just some stuff over here, some regular settings on the left side or whatnot, which is super cool. So we're going to go into the advanced settings, and we're going to go into embed shop. Now, this is super simple for people who are like using Weebly and WordPress and Joomla, but these are like sites that don't give you that option to just optimize your own store and stuff like that. So what's going to happen is you're going to take this code and embed it into those spots or whatnot, and it's going to generate pretty much a Spreadshirt on your website, which is cool and all. But if you're anything like me, you want to go ahead and make your own website. You want to make your website look what you want it to look like and stuff like that. So, but before I talk to you guys about anything or show you anything, I want to talk to you guys about JavaScript. Now, JavaScript is what you put inside of HTML. Now, if you think about HTML as a sandwich, when you're making a sandwich, you want to put the bread in and you want to put the meat in the middle, which is like everything of the website. And then you want to close that website up with another sheet of bread. But if you want to put like cheese in there, cheese would be the JavaScript, okay? Cheese is what's going to make that taste even better. And that's what JavaScript does. So they have, you know, a div tag, a script tag, and another script tag. And this is kind of out of order in my eyes. Well, what happened is you would put the div tag inside of like where the meat area is, which is the body, all right? But you would put these script tags here in actual HTML in the heading version of this. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy the clipboard and then we're gonna go right back into Muse. Normally a person would just double click inside of the actual screen that they want this in or whatnot, and then I'll just paste. And this isn't bad. Like, this is a good thing for you guys to do, but I want you guys to start thinking about cleaner code and how this is going to work out, and if you're going to get a syntax error or not. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and right click on this and go down to edit HTML. And honestly, script tags for me, anything that has script in it needs to go in the head. Like, I don't like it being in the actual body because it slows down your website. That's just how it is. So we're gonna go ahead and hit OK after deleting that out, and then we're gonna just go ahead and view the entire site. Now I want to go down to where I actually pasted that, which is over here, and I want to just right click on this to bring up a page property, and then I want to move up to the metadata. And I want to go ahead and the HTML for head version of this, I just want to go ahead and Command V, putting in all of that script tag. Like, we need the scripts to go there. And with doing that, yes, that's going to give us this kind of looking page or whatnot. But when we go ahead and preview this page in the browser, we get something a little bit more stable, something a little bit more like this. Now we can do some sizing. Like, I'm just going to go ahead and bring this up to like maybe 4,000. Okay, so now that we have that, that's part one of this. But we want to go ahead and link these items here, like all of this stuff here. we want to be able to link that here somewhere. We want to be able to click on maybe one of these shirts here or whatnot, and it actually takes it to the corresponding shirt that we're looking at, right? And because this is now set up and we actually have that JavaScript and stuff set in there, what we need to be able to do is just export this out. So we need to go ahead and upload this to our FTP host. So after you upload it to the FTP host or whatnot, all you have to do is go into that page. So I'm gonna keep this page up, but I'm also gonna open back up Muse, and I'm gonna go into that actual page where, you know, basically the shirts would be at. And this is where all the hard work actually starts, right? So we have this picture up of the panda shirt. We want to go back into the website and we want to find that panda shirt, right? Instead of clicking on the actual shirt, what we're gonna do is we're gonna right click and we're gonna copy the link address. Then we're gonna go back into Muse and we're gonna click, make sure that we're getting this actual frame of this shirt. Like, I actually have this in a slideshow. What I wanna do is just go into the hyperlinks at the top of this, hit the drop down, and then paste that link here. Make sure that I hit enter or return, and that's gonna make that picture live, so I can click on that. And then from here, it's just pretty much step and repeat. So I'm just gonna go back one, and I'm gonna find this shirt, which is right here. I'm gonna go into the hyperlinks of this, hit that drop down, go ahead and command V that, hit enter, and then click on this as well and make sure that I can do it again. So after you get done with this, just go ahead and upload this to the FTP host server and you can see what this is about. So now that that's uploaded, let's just go ahead and click on Smiley Outfitter merch, which is my merch or whatnot. I will be talking about that soon. We go into the Canadian site, which I just uploaded to, and we click on this girl right here. And these now can be clicked on. So if I click on like this shirt here, it's going to take me to the actual shirt. And this shirt can now be customized to the way that you guys want it and can be worn in the way that you guys want it to be worn. And you guys, that's pretty much it. So I've been doing this for maybe 3 years now, and I haven't really had a problem. I have figured out all the syntax errors and stuff like that that you would get with it, and I've kind of figured out a way to just make this stuff happen. I even figured out a way to integrate the basket, but I'm not really into doing that right now. But if you guys want to know that, let me know in the comment section below. I kind of wish people would use Spreadshirt more because it's really simple to use. They don't pay me for none of this, but I really feel like they're pretty simple and you guys can get on the internet quick, fast, and easy. So if you guys need me, let me know in the comment section below. Hit me up on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. But with that being said, you guys got to get up out of here. So stay amazing, stay creative, above all else, stay awesome.